Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. Put some of this super shim. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Yeah, this lip gloss, like, look at that. Oh, it's by Revlon. It's the Lip Glow Jelly. There's no like color on it, but this is what it looks like. If you guys are interested, I'll link it down below because it's like Shimmer City, and who doesn't want Shimmer City on their lips, right? Why'd that light just turn off? You guys see that? That light just turned off. Why did it just turn off? First question, hey Vanessa, love your YouTube videos and your kids are adorable. Oh, thank you. I have a question. I received a message from someone. Can you ship this item to Canada if I pay extra for shipping? Do you know if this is allowed? No, it's not allowed. There is no international shipping allowed on Poshmark now. They did say, I want to say they announced it at PoshFest that there would be international shipping eventually. Or maybe they announced that Poshmark would be available to other countries. Like you can ship within other countries. Like there is Poshmark Canada, but you can only ship to Canada. You can't ship from Canada to the United States or the United States to Canada. Honestly, I don't remember if they said international shipping will be coming soon or Poshmark will just be coming to other countries, you know, within that country. I feel like I have been scammed a couple of times. I feel like I have had some buyers say that they never received the item when in fact they did. Because I've had some sales that say, oh, delivered, and then the person's like, oh, I never received it. Some of them genuinely might not have received it, but others, I feel like I might have got scammed. I'm curious what your tracking info currently says. Does it say delivered or has it just not been updated in a while? If it hasn't been updated in a while, I would, you know, keep checking it back periodically to see if it has been delivered. And then if it has been delivered, contact Poshmark and be like, hey, I don't know what Poshmark would do. I don't think that they would like charge the buyer again because you already got your money. Yeah, I don't know. That's tricky. Like I said, I do feel like I've been scammed in that sense that somebody, you know, received an item and maybe they didn't like the way that it fit. So they're like, oh, I'm just going to say that it's lost because they know they can't return it because of fit. I feel like that's happened to me a couple times, unfortunately. And actually, I had a question. Somebody asked, have you ever been scammed on Poshmark? I'm always afraid that'll happen to me. Yes, that's one of the instances where I feel like I've been scammed. I'm actually going to make a whole video talking about scams on Poshmark. So look for that coming soon because people are crazy. People are crazy. Okay, next question. What do you think of the tags we can now add just like you can on Mercari? So if you guys didn't know, Poshmark came out with a new feature where you can add style tags on listings. Again, a simple fucking thing that should have been around forever because, you know, you can on every other platform, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Into a listing, you see style tags. I'm going to tap on that. And unfortunately, you can't add your own style tags. You have to choose from their list of tags. I think it's cool that you can do that now. All right, next question. With the suggested price, would we list at that price range they say or still list slightly higher than the suggested price? So if you didn't know, Poshmark now has a suggested price feature and I always list higher because you need to leave room for offers. So, you know, if you go into, let's see, I'm going to go into this listing. I have a North Face jacket and it said the suggested price is between $24 and $52. I have it listed at $58. So again, I always list higher to leave room for offers because it's inevitable you're going to get offers. Next question, what do you do when someone asks for your lowest offer in the comments? I basically tell them to send me their offer and then we'll go from there. I don't like to discuss prices in the comments. What if you have a $40 sweatshirt and Sally is like, will you sell this to me for $30? And you're like, yeah. And then Sally never ends up buying it. And then Susie comes along and she's like, oh, well, you said you'd sell it to Sally for $30, so sell it to me for $30 too. And you're like, ah, no, you don't want to do that. So yeah, I never talk about prices in the comments. I don't even really talk about prices in like bundle messages because again, those aren't private. I just tell the person, send me your offer and then we'll go from there. Okay, last question. Do you use videos in your listings? I can never get them to work for me. So I don't. Poshmark has a new-ish feature where you can add videos to listings and I have yet to use that feature. I really don't think that I will ever use that feature unless I have an item that, I don't know, is maybe like hard to photograph or there's a flaw that I want to show that's again hard to photograph. But yeah, I mean, I don't really think that showing like, you know, that Adidas sweatshirt I was talking about, I don't think showing that in a video is going to help it sell better. You know, people can be like, oh yes, it's a video. Oh yes, I'm going to buy it, as opposed to a picture, you know, like I don't, yeah. Again, I think it's good for showing flaws, or maybe, you know, you have like a super sparkly top and, you know, you want to show the beautiful sparkles of it. You know, something like that, but not for regular listings. I don't have time. I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's going to help sell the item better. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KEEPINITRAD. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.